POV when there's nothing in the fridge. I'm gonna get some food. Wait, what? It's like nothing in the fridge right now. I don't even know. What can I eat? There's nothing to eat. Like what? Son, what are you talking about? There is plenty of food in the fridge. Son, you are absolutely stupid. Yeah. Come and look at all the sexy food in this fridge and tell me how is there nothing in there? There's like 5-star gourmet meals in that fridge. There is nothing in that fridge. Mom, I swear to God, there's nothing in there. And literally, like how dare you say that? There is plenty of food in that fridge. Fine, you know what? You do not get to eat. Wait, what? Oh my God, I hate you. What do you say? What do you say? No, but you're right his hand. Disclaimer, everything else.